If you are moving to Nashville, Tennessee, and you're looking for some new construction, affordable luxury, living the life here in Nashville, Tennessee, in this 3-bedroom, all brick, 2-car garage, we're about to explore this home. I can't wait to show you more details. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this beautiful home, and in just a second we're going to get right back to that. If this home is right for you, let me know. If you would like to look at another one, we can do that as well. My number is 615-582-4721. They spared no expense. These homes are built tight, they've already been walked through, and they're ready for purchase. So why don't we take a look here in the living area. These doors, beautiful doors, very tall with a nice big window, and the windows just keep wrapping around till you get to this beautiful fireplace. We've got the long subway tile down at the bottom. We have shiplap at the top, area to mount your TV. One of the cool features about this right here is it has a plug up here and your cable outlet. So it also has a Ethernet outlet as well. So you could actually put your internet, your TV, and also on the other side has another window. Like I said, this is a beautiful area if you like lighting and windows. So we're gonna walk over here to this other side. This would be your dining area. This is the island here. Really nice countertops. Feels like this is a pretty deep sink, extra wide. Shoulder width, is it 24, 36 inches wide? I don't know. Anyways, nice range, cooktop, microwave. And you have your pantry over here. Then you have your spot for your refrigerator over here. Cabinets, beautiful, nice finish. I'm digging the lighting. I feel like in every one of these homes, they've upgraded the lighting for you. It's not just some cheap junk. This is very nice lighting. Pantry right here is pretty impressive. I was just in here a little while ago. Not only can I fit in here, but I'm walking back here and it's pretty deep. This could be 6 foot deep by 4 foot wide, I don't know. It's got nice shelving, backsplash, definitely a necessity. And I'm digging the color coordination here. It's very neutral. You can bring your own style into this house. So we have a half bathroom right here. We have the laundry room right here, pretty good size. And we have the door to the side of the house that will take you to the garage. This door is pretty significant. This is your patio. We are going to take a journey on that, and I'm going to show you everything about this primary bedroom and this primary bathroom and the primary closet after I show you upstairs. Upstairs, well, we're just going to take a look. Actually, this house has 3 bedrooms, and the main primary bedroom is on the main floor, which is right over there, and we're going to take a look at that in a minute. But first we're going to go upstairs here. We're going to take a look up these stairs. They managed to put a beautiful window in the stairs area. All right, so we just came up these stairs. Man, I tell you what, coming up them stairs will kill a man, especially if you're an old man. So right up here, you have another living area. I find this pretty nice feature to have this separated from the main part of the house. This is on the 2nd floor. It has beautiful light shining in. This has 2 bedrooms and a full bath that is connected to this main little area. So right here, you have your bathroom. Right here, you have bedroom number 3. And right here, you have bedroom number 2. So we are in the full bath upstairs, located near the other bedroom. So this is the bathroom over here. This is a pretty nice sink. You can see it's waist high. Like I said, I'm about 6 foot tall, and this is pretty high. It's got space on each side, pretty big mirror, nice cabinets. We've got drawers on this thing, so if you need to store some items that you didn't want to get messed up or while somebody else is brushing their teeth. Beautiful look to the outdoors. You have your closet over here. double entry closet. These doors are much nicer than those old sliding doors that keep coming off the tracks. Plus they're very attractive. I mean, I'm digging the detail. This is an upgrade too. If you're building a house on your own, they would ask you want your standard door or the upgrade. This is definitely an upgrade. So this other bedroom also has great lighting. All right, so right now we are at the primary bedroom. One thing you notice about this is the light coming in and the tray ceiling. Let's see if we can take a look at the tray ceiling. Beautiful feature. This bathroom is pretty nice. One thing I'm impressed with is the double sinks. But as you see, there's only one sink there, but it's split. Double sinks, we're gonna show you in just a second. It's pretty good size. Got your faucet thing right here, or your valve right here. Got a little ledge. Over here, you got another little ledge down below. This being the primary bathroom, they put a tub over here. It's a big tub. Looks like 4x6, so it's extra wide. And you have your shower over here that we just looked at. Here is sink number 1 with your full cabinet, 4 drawers. Here is sink number 2. So over there you have your one sink. You have the door to the bedroom, and then you have your second sink. Look at me. All right. So this primary closet is pretty impressive. It is about, we can see my hands. I'm not even touching both sides, but it could be 6 foot wide maybe. And it looks like it's 8-9 feet wide or whatever. But this thing has wraparound wire shelving. It's pretty nice. Goes around to this other side right behind me, so it's kind of like a horseshoe shape. So this is a back entry garage. It's pretty nice. A lot of people enjoy that. So if you were to have guests over and they pull up to the front, you know, they don't see a lot of stuff, you know, they don't see a lot of cars or whatever. And then it opens up to the primary bathroom. Hey, my name is Jeremy. If you're looking to move here to Nashville, Tennessee, why don't you give me a call? I'm a realtor here in Nashville, Tennessee. If this home fits you or you want to see something else, just let me know. Shoot me a call, text. Hey, if you're relocating, then download my relocation guide. The link is right here, or also it's in the description.